Nico, come over here. Biggest join this game. Nico, sino pa? Okay, JM, come over here. Okay, line up, line up. Who else wanna join? Juno, you wanna join the game? You wanna join Juno? Who else wanna join? Naku, nahihiya sila. Okay, I'm going to go. Is Pia?
Aura!
How many kids now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more. One more. Melvin, okay, Melvin, line up. Okay, alam niyo ba yung first game? Alam niyo ba yung first game natin? Yung first game, longest sound game. Alam niyo ba yung longest sound game? You're going to greet Iana the longest happy birthday. You will say, happy birthday! Kailangan yung mahabang happy birthday. O yung mga anak ko, alam niyo ba magbilang? Do you know how to count? Nako, wala yata mga bibig. Do you know how to count? Alam niyo magbilang? Sige, help me count. Ready? Everybody count. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4. Nako, ang hina naman. Okay, lakas. Everybody count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you're going to count for us, ha? We're going to start with JM. JM, come forward. JM, ilang taon ka na ba ngayon? 9 years old? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Doktor.
Gusto mo maging doktor paglaki mo? Anong klaseng doktor? Doktor ng tao? Doktor ng hayop? O doktor ng bus?
Doktor mga tao.
Alam ko sa araw, sabihin mo doktor ng bus Alam mo na gawin mo ha? Greet Iana the longest happy birthday. Happy birthday. Remember, everybody count ha? Magbibilang kayo ha. Get set, JM, and go!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 for JM. Para naman para kay JM. Okay, you can take your seat now. Remember, number 12 ka. Okay, and this is RC. How old are you, RC?
11 po.
11 years old. Anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
Nurse po.
Gusto mo maging nurse? Okay, pero ka naman boyfriend ng doktor? Wala pa. Okay, alam mo na gawin mo, RC Remember, greet Iana the longest happy birthday. Get set, RC. Everybody count ha. Get set and go.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, palakpakan na para kay RC. And this is Melvin. Come over here, Melvin. Mukhang nahihiya si Melvin. Ilan taon naman si Melvin?
11.
5. Anong favorite subject mo sa school?
Yan.
Recess? Kaya naman pala. Nako. Kaya niyo yun?
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17. Thank you, Melvin. And this is Nico. Nico, how old are you? Ampu. Ano gusto mo maging paglaki mo? 5? 10? 10? Baba mo ng kahalangan. 10 plus 10. 20 raw. Subukan pa natin. 20 plus 20. Naku, nahiya talaga siya. Galingan mo ha. Batiin mo si Iana na mahabang happy birthday. Galingan mo kasi alam ko, marami kang puho ng hangin dyan. Okay, get set, Nico, and remember, everybody count, get set, and go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 for Nico. Palakpakan naman para kay Nico. And last but not the least is Pia. Pia, how old are you naman? 9. Alam mo na gagawin mo ha. Galingan mo ha. Get set, Pia, and go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, for Pia, palakpakan naman para kay Pia. And who is our highest pointer? Sino ang highest pointer natin? Okay, Melvin. The winner, palakpakan naman para kay Melvin. Okay, kids, the next game is the Bring Me Game. I'm going to alam niyo ba yung Bring Me Game? Alam niyo ba yung Bring Me Game? May iningin ako sa inyo ha. Pag anong hinihingi ko, hahanapin ninyo. Pinakamahabang sintaron! Pinakamahabang sintaron! Come on, 1, 2, longest belt here? Okay, pinakamahabang sinturon. Tingnan natin. Okay, sino yung winner natin? Okay, the green belt. Ayun ang mga belts to. Get your belts first. Get your belts. Ayun na ba? Kanina na? Tama nga ba? Okay. Kayo yung belt to. Okay, Juno? Ito yung belt mo. Okay, this time kids, I want you to bring me the smallest shoe. Pinakalit. 2, 3, take it off, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, wala pa ba? 9, 10, 11, 12, wala na ba? Ayaw the music. Let's do the smallest shoe. Okay, nanalo pa rin to. Sino madala nito? Kayo na to. Sino madala nito? Okay, thank you.
Ikaw, Jana, ikaw.
Okay, about this one. Okay, Jana, your prize. Okay, this time kids, I want you to bring me, go around and bring me to get this one. Magpaalam muna kayo ba? Ask permission. Bring me one strand of white hair. Isang puting buhok. 1, 3, 4. Okay, we have a winner. We have a winner, Dara. Come on, thank you, Dara. Okay, this time, kids, I want you to bring me one singing mommy. Come on, get your mommy. 1, 2. Okay, we have a winner here. Okay, you are mommy.
Sharon.
Sharon, ababanin muna yung baby nyo. Ababanin muna sa baba. Babaya sa tamakbo, malaki na yan. Okay. Pangalan pala, singer na, no? Ano ang hantayin ni Mami?
Wala!
Ay, Macarena!
Ay, ayoko naman.
Happy birthday na si Diana. Si Diana. Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yana. Happy birthday.
Okay. Para kay Mabilang Sport. Kay Mami the prize. Ito yung prize nyo. Ito yung prize. At makingi, 1, Calvi. Susi ng kotse. 1, 2. Kotse o jeep. Okay, meron tayong winner. Kotse nga pa ito sa cabinet to. Okay, sa jeep. Okay, Melvin, come over here. Gusto mo malaman saan nakapark sa sakay ninyo? Saan nakapark? Anong sakyan ba yun? Meron akong jeep pa uwi. Okay, this time kids, I want you to bring me. Bakit? Ayan, let's try sa akin. Okay, this time, I want you to bring me isang putok na lobo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, we have a winner. Okay, JM. Okay, dahil konti lang atin lobo, maraming bata, ito na lobong iuwi mo. Okay, thank you, JM. I wanted to bring me now isang yaya o ate na umaate mo. Get your yaya! Yaya o ate! Okay, we have a winner. Ate pa to, yaya. Yaya, okay. Bitawan mo muna yung baby. Kaya pagawa ako sa masaya. Happy birthday. Ay, malungkot na happy birthday. Madali lang yun. Malungkot na. Ganun pa rin katakot. Hindi naman nakakatakot na happy birthday.
Hi, Ernie.
Line it up. Back to back and sit on your own chair. Bring me your own chair. 1. Pila. Upo, pila. All the kids, come on. All the kids, join us. Lahat. Okay, lahat ng bata, sana kayo. Hold your chair. Mak. Saan, Mak? Boy, and Corina, ito ka. Chair, meron pa chair. Okay, meron pa tayong chair, meron pa. Come on, Red, boy. Okay, meron pa chair dito, meron pa. O, Karina, okay, mga babies ha, alalain ng yaya o tita. Okay, dito ka, sumama ka. Okay, meron pa ba? Meron one more chair here, meron. David, yeah, David. Okay. One. Okay, in your school you call this game Trip to Jerusalem, but I call this the musical chairs. Pag meron music, ano ang gawin ninyo? Okay, tayo.